We're from Pieces to Pathways. We'll be showing you what's inside the IV injection kit. In addition to the kit, we recommend having an naloxone kit with you and a sharp spin container. So in this kit, we have cookers. There are 2 different kind of cookers. Just below that, we have the filters, saline water, which is also used for dissolving, and also the vitamin C packets. And there's also the tourniquet, and then just below that, there are the condoms, and then the alcohol pads, the syringes. Before starting, we recommend washing your hands before doing anything. We have the alcohol prep pads that you can use to disinfect the surface that you'll be injecting. And then, depending on your preference, we have 2 different types of cookers. There's the one-use cookers, and then there's these ones as well. So you can go ahead with either one of those. And then we have the vitamin C and this saline water to help dissolve your drugs inside of the cookers. Once you've dissolved your substances, you can use the cotton filters to absorb them. And then from the cotton filters, you can go ahead with your syringe and just pull up the liquid. And then once you're ready to inject, you can use the tourniquet. So you can tie that around just to increase the blood pressure in your arm. And then you'll be ready to inject. And then once you're done with the syringe, we recommend putting them in a sharp spin just to make sure that you or someone else doesn't get poked with it.